Hi guys, what's up and thanks for joining. Today I'm going to share with you two set of dupe blushes. Yes guys, now if you are a regular visitor of my channel, then you know that I love blushes. And if you are new to my channel, then this is Brishti. I'm a makeup enthusiast and also I love to travel. I love nature, I love food. And guys, if you want to stay connected with me for more this kind of video, then please do subscribe and ring the bell. Now for today's video, there is two set of dupe blushes. Now in my channel previously I also have done a dupe blush video. I have done two dupe blush videos. I will link that two videos here. So guys, if you want to know about these dupe blushes, then continue watching. So guys, the first set of dupe blushes that I have, this is these two blushes. Now this one is from Colorbar and this one is from Flower Beauty. Now these two are matte blushes. Now though this Colorbar blush is from their Cheekillusion range, and Cheekillusion range blushes generally have a little bit shimmers sometime, but this shade is quite good matte shade, and I love matte blushes because when you use matte blushes, you have a just color on your cheeks. Now if you want to have a shine, you can add some blush topper or a highlighter, so you can custom the shine. But if you already have lot of shine, sometime if you have texture or a bad skin day, you have something on your cheeks, that day the use of those baked blush or some blushes that has some glitter in it, that become very difficult for use. So I prefer matte blushes, and these two are absolutely matte blush. So this one that I have, it is Colorbar, and it is Colorbar Cheekillusion blush in the shade Pink Pinch. And the another one is this one. This is Flower Beauty, and this is in the shade Sweet Pea. Both of these are pink shade with a little mauvey undertone. This one, that is a Colorbar one, is a little more pigmented than this Sweet Pea one. So in pan the color looks different. Okay, this one is very light and this one is quite deep. But if you swatch this blush two times and this is one time, the color you will have that are exactly similar. Now guys, when you use blush, we generally swipe for multiple times. So when you swipe this blush for multiple times, it will give same color as this one. So here is the hand swatches, you can check. So guys, you have seen how close these two blushes. I love both of them. Now many of you have asked me about my favorite drugstore blushes. Now I will definitely going to do one dedicated video because I have replied to many people on Instagram or here. Now guys, you can also connect me at my Instagram account. The link of the Instagram account of mine is in the description box below. You can click that link. Now this one is very light shade, so if you are a light to medium skin tone person and want to have something a blush which has very little color, very good for daytime use or office use, then you can go for this. And this one, which is this Colorbar one, Colorbar Pink Pinch, it is better for medium to deep skin tone person because as it is more pigmented, it will show up. But none of these blushes are for very deep skin tone person. Now if you want to know about my skin complexion guys, then I am in between NC 35 to 37. Now my exact skin shade is actually C35, so it is actually close to NC 35 to 37, but the yellow undertone is much more strong. Now at present this C35 is not available anywhere, so I am generally use either 35 or 37 of NC range. So and for Maybelline I am 228 soft tan. That is the closest one but not the exact one of my skin tone. So you can understand my skin tone. Now I can use both of these I have to work a little bit on this to have some color on cheeks, but if it is daytime, then I prefer this one, and if it is evening time, then I go for this one. Okay, now if you want to know about the staying power, then the staying power is 2 to 3 hours if you use a very good setting spray. Now setting spray is must. If you don't use good setting spray, then any powder blush will not last on your skin. Now guys, some of you have told me to give a little detail on any product when I review that, and some of you have asked me to short video, so I don't know what to do, but anyhow I am giving you all the necessary information that I am feeling that you need to know. Now the second set, now I'm moving to the second set, and in that second set, one blush is from Milani. It is a Milani Baked blush in the shade Rose Dioro, and the another shade is from MAC, which is MAC Sunbasque. Both of this is a little peachy browny shade. Okay, a brown shade which has a little peachy orange undertone and also has golden glitter. These are only for party time use, because they have very good strong shimmer or glitter in it. Now not chunky, none of this two blush has chunky glitter, but I actually don't use shimmery shade that much. Now I have received this MAC one as a free gift from Nykaa when I have purchased some other MAC products. Now I that time didn't realize that these two are so same. Now I already have this one, so I can pick up some other product as a free gift, so I'm not happy with this one, obviously. Now guys, MAC and Milani, both these blushes have very good pigmentation and the color is medium color, so any skin complexion person can use this. Now the staying power of these two blushes are much more than the previous two blush. Now this Milani blush stay on cheeks for 4 to 5 hours depending on the setting spray. You need a setting spray every time you apply a powder blush. Now for MAC blush, it will definitely going to stay for more than 6 hours. Okay, now MAC generally has very good lasting power on skin, so this is also the same. Now if you want to have a MAC blush which has this kind of peachy brown shade but don't have any shimmer or glitter in that, then definitely go for the shade Gingerly of MAC. Guys, that is a wonderful shade and I love Gingerly more than this. Now both of these have very similar shade, but this one has glitter and Gingerly is without any glitter. Here is the swatches, please check. Wrapping this video here guys, and if you are still with me, then definitely give me a thumbs up. It means a lot to me guys, and also do subscribe and ring the bell to support my journey of YouTube. See you soon in the next video guys. Till then, bye bye.